government's economic reform program is, at its core, about improving the living conditions of all Jamaicans.
We seek to maintain the levels of expenditures in social protection activities, which we have done.
The same commitment is made to health and education support, as government strives to give people the tools to ensure their own development. Education and training are foundations of economic development in today's world, as a skilled workforce is important to reaching high levels of production and output. Government believes this and deployed the Technical Vocational Education and Training TVET Policy last year to provide a national framework for the development and sustainability of TVET in the Jamaican education and training system. As a result, new occupational programs are being offered through Heart Trust institutions. Teachers have also received training through the Heart Trust NTA and the National College of Education Leadership. The Ministry of Education, meanwhile, is transforming several secondary schools into science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM academies to prepare students for the jobs of the future.
For example, the STEM Academy at VER might offer avocations related to the sugar industry, the factory, irrigation, mechanical, and allied sugar technologies, while a St. Andrews STEM Academy may relate to ports and the logistics hub.
The immediate focus is on the 14 existing technical high schools, several Heart academies, and the Signipagan Agricultural School. Other training initiatives include the Caribbean Maritime Institute extending its course offerings to persons in Western parishes this year, in tandem with government's focus on equipping all Jamaicans with the skills needed for the global logistics hub.
This proposed escalation of the CMI mandate is to enable it to mainstream STEM related to logistics, transport, and maritime professions and avocations, and to introduce these elements into the curriculum of select STEM academies beginning at Sam Sharp.
Even as the economy is being reformed and fiscal constraints are implemented, the government is ensuring that all Jamaicans are in good health. This is beneficial to our economic pursuits, since it takes a healthy workforce to produce at the high levels needed for growth. The GOJ health card was recently introduced to ease the pockets of Jamaicans when visiting public health facilities and purchasing pharmaceuticals.
The card will facilitate better monitoring and identification. It will also take into account private health insurance so that instances where charges arise, we can better, adequately, and quickly deal with it.
Land and home ownership are also essential components of the economic reform program.
The access to ownership of land is what is not only going to make you and your families better, but will improve the well-being of the economy of the country.
Most recently, residents of Gravel Heights, St. Catherine and Donaldston in eastern St. Thomas were among hundreds who have benefited from government's accelerated land titling program. Through the cadastral mapping and land registration in Jamaica project, 70 persons from St. Mary, St. Anne and Portland now also hold the titles to their properties. Many more are proud homeowners because of programs such as the $2.4 billion initiative to provide housing and other social amenities for sugar workers and their families.
My administration continues to make investments in people and social development, even as we pursue our necessary strategy of fiscal prudence and debt management.
As part of that, the budgetary allocation to the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH will increase from $900 million to $5 billion this financial year. The government of Jamaica, going for growth, staying the course, and transforming the economy.
Whilst government has to lead by way of its three generic roles of enabling, facilitating, and servicing, the country needs all hands on deck to get it where it wants to and must go.